Okay, we're going into the blizzard of 2013. Here we go. This is the start of it anyway. We're going to just document how there's like no snow on the ground, there's no nothing.
There is.
There is?
What are you talking about?
Oh.
What do you call that?
Well, I guess we have a little bit already. And it just started, what, a couple hours ago? Easy. Okay, alright. There it is. Oh, you didn't want the jacket?
I'm gonna walk you there?
This is just the beginning, but we will document the rest. Okay? Bye. Okay, we are now at Stop and Shop. We're gonna see if it gets wiped out.
Look at all the customers.
Here we go.
Going nuts.
Well, the parking lot's pretty crazy. Okay, we're going into Stop and Shop right now. How do you know I was recording you? Look, there's the camera. We need. It's free. Take all the candy you like. Yep. Candy aisle. Oh my God, I'm in heaven. I love it.
You don't even like chocolate.
I love candy. I like chocolate. Only that time of month though.
Oh.
Like I don't like it when we're just, you know.
All the time?
So yeah, all the time. What are you trying to say? I have my, you know what, all the time? What are you trying to say? Alright, well, it's pretty ruthless out here. As you can see, it's been snowing since 11. It was light snow this morning. Didn't really get heavy until about, maybe 5 o'clock. I mean, no, maybe 3 o'clock. Yeah, about 3 o'clock. So, it's been, yeah, pretty bad. They just shoveled, and it's pretty slippery. They put, salt down. Alright, here we go. Oh my God, it's wicked bad. I see someone over there right now. I mean, they put out a state of emergency. It's been nasty, and I guess we'll see how bad it is on the streets. Wow, it's pretty nasty out.
Dude, there was a big fucking wall from here.
Oh, what is it? A wall? What, from the plows?
From the plant over here, we can't get it out.
Really?
They keep walking in there.
Oh my God.
I'm not going in the middle of the street where they're taking it.
Ah, this umbrella's not working. Oh my God. I'm going to end up breaking it. Wow, this is crazy. Like, the wind is just unreal.
Push it up there 3 times, they come by and take it.
How long have you been outside?
Since Kobe went in.
Are you cold?
Huh.
No?
I don't get cold now.
Wow, look at, like, the cars. Like, they're packed up with snow. And can you imagine what it's going to be like tomorrow night at this time?
No, that's why we got to try to keep up as much as we can.
Oh my God. You can actually see like how bad it is. I know, right. There's no way. Oh my God, this wind is already breaking this umbrella. Yeah, so Mike made it home. I just wanted to tell you he made it home. He said the roads are not that bad though, but I don't know. Cause oh my God! I can't even stay still!
You guys hear me?
What?
You're finding Nemo.
I know, right? Never mind Nemo. Alright, this is what it looks like outside. It's about 9:30. So we haven't even really got the blizzard yet. This is just kind of the quiet before the storm, and as you can see, we've probably accumulated about, I don't know, maybe a foot so far. 8 inches, I'm sorry, okay. So about 8 inches. You can see it up there on the rooftop there, like how it's piled up. I'm sure the snowdrifts are probably a lot worse. We've already lost power, but came back on the street light. And like half of Fall River is already pretty much lost power. Alright, we just had a plow come through, but for some reason they only like drop it right in front of the house, and the rest of the street they don't plow. So we've got somebody out there with a shovel plowing the rest of the street, which is kind of almost impossible to do, because he'll be doing it for a long time. I don't know if you can see him. Alright, there we go. Zoomed in a little bit so you can kind of see. And right now, because there is a state of emergency, there's no vehicles that are supposed to be on the road. Well, except for plow trucks and state vehicles. I don't understand why this guy is like shoveling to the end of the street. You know, he just likes to be out in the snow. I swear he's been out there for a while. There's the fire trucks again. They've been going by like every couple of minutes. I don't know what's going on. Wind's starting to pick up, so I'm going to close it down now. We'll check in later. Okay, we are officially going outside on day 2 of this crazy storm. Oh my god. You can't even see everything. It's like a whiteout out here. Wow. Really pretty. We still have no electricity though, which kind of sucks. But the driveway is shoveled. The sides of the houses are like stuck on snow, so it's kind of crazy. We're gonna have to like do a comparison in a minute and put Jillian, who is what, 4'11"?
4'11".
Up against one of these mountains, so you can kind of see how tall they are. Okay. All right, Jillian, try standing in this one. Not in it, just like right next to it. I don't know if you can really tell, but which one? The one across the street? Okay, go stand next to it. Yeah, but these are like what people have shoveled and put into piles. Oh yeah, so it's about the same height, basically. It's the same thing.
They send the people down the street.
4'11". So we know that pile right there is 4'11". Alright, come on. We're gonna go check out. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
We gotta get some sleds. Oh my god, look at all the people out. That's crazy.
That's what I said.
You saw these people? They were all out earlier?
No, when I was right here.
Really? That's awesome. You never see anybody out on this street.
Oh, it's because there's no electricity.
Alright, we're literally walking down the middle of Plymouth Ave on the medium. As you can see, Jillian is trying so hard to get through, but we got a couple of feet of snow here. It's pretty bad, really bad. But there are people out, which is odd, and like, even though there's no electricity, no street lights, no nothing, like even my street, there was tons of people out there, which was so cool. Why? This is so much fun. Whoa, you okay there?
I was going backwards.
This is crazy. It's like a winter what? Okay, so we just walked through like a huge thing of snow. Actually, it's about that deep. I don't know if you can really see that, but you can see the fire hydrants right in the middle. The sidewalks down there, coming up. Pretty crazy. Look, there's Jillian against the mountain that we got to try to go through. Is there a space to walk through, or are we screwed? Here we go. Oh my god, I literally feel like we're walking through a maze. Alright, it's not bad. See, we got more people out shoveling. Thankfully, everybody's out doing it because we wouldn't have any clear sidewalks if people weren't out. It's kind of crazy. Even the sky looks nuts, like the clouds. So it's still snowing. Yes, it is. Still still snowing. We're gonna have to get out of this. Jillian, how are we gonna walk through that? There's a block up ahead. We can't. The garage door is like totally freaking locked in. She wants us to follow her. Alright, you know when Dunkin' Donuts is closed, okay, that we're definitely in a state of emergency because Dunkin' Donuts never closes, ever. Ever. Jillian's stuck in the snow. Come on, you gotta get out before you get wet. Come on. How'd you get in there?
I can't, my leg's stuck.
You gotta go that way.
I got it.
Do you need help?
No, I got it.
Are you sure?
I kind of like walking through the snow.
You kinda like it? By the time you get home, you're gonna be like, hey, I'm not doing that again. Jillian, you can book it? Yeah. That's nice. You said it's calling us, making fun. Huh? You could have said something. You could have said, Jillian, suck it up. Alright. We had some signs of good news. Not these lights, but the lights up ahead are actually working. So, I think that is a good sign. Really good sign. Isn't this the one you go into? I want to take a picture of you going, like, right next to it.
Too heavy.
Okay, as we're walking, you can see that you can't see the car. It's like buried in the snow, basically. So, it's pretty crazy. But, like I said, there's signs of good news because there are lights that are working up ahead. Doubt our lights are back on, our electricity. I really doubt it. I don't know. When Jillian found a baby that she thinks she's taking home, it's just a big, huge pile of, like, snow. Put it down! Come on!
My baby!
This is her baby. Isn't it beautiful?
And the Sour Patch Baby.
Wow, she's crazy. Oh, get out of the street! Out! Go over! There's one coming now. You gotta get out. Oh! Get it!
I can't.
Oh! I did it! Woo! Okay.
I just killed my...
So, I basically recorded that whole thing.
I murdered it.
That was us trying to get away from the plow before it ran us over. But we made it! Woohoo! Ah! Alright, and I gotta check the snow, make sure nothing fell out of my pocket. Do the snow angel.
Okay.
Oh my god, I can't breathe. Look, another car buried. This is too much. Holy crap.
They got somebody downstream.
Doing what? Oh, okay. We can't even walk through the snow. It's absolutely nuts. Like, I'm trying to, but it's so hard. Jillian said I should crawl. I don't know. I can't do it. It's too much. Good God, help us. Alright, at least we're on our street. Now we have to get over that. Huh? You have frostbite?
I think so, on my knees.
Alright, let's go inside.
Ow.
We gotta get over this.
Good luck.
It's hard ice.
Yeah, you can get up and over.